Hello, my name is George Moore, owner of Moore's Sewing Center in Southern California. And the cutting station by the SewFine Cabinet Company offers the perfect solution for cutting, sewing, and storage. This cutting station comes completely assembled from the factory. Heavy-duty locking casters support the cutting station, and you can open up one side or you can open up both sides. And you see here, it has storage with drawers and plenty of storage to even put a machine. And on the other side, you have storage for fabric and other things. This is a great solution for any sewing room. It also is at the right height for cutting, as well as often when you want to use your embroidery machine, having it up higher, it's much more enjoyable. Right now, the SewFine cutting station is on sale. Click on the link for more information or call us at 1-800-865-9664. Bye for now.